Are we seeing falling home prices in US? As we move into the fall season, you may be thinking what is going on with home prices. Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the SF Bay Area. According to the housing experts, home prices are not falling anymore and the real estate downturn is turning out to be shorter than originally predicted. Why is this happening? Scarcity is a big reason. High interest rates are keeping homeowners with low mortgage rates staying out in their homes, and some potential buyers have given up on their search, waiting for rates to come down. This has caused overall transactions to be down, but prices are holding due to supply and demand. New listings of homes for sale are so low, there continue to be bidding wars in some markets, with properties averaging about 3 offers. This is a good news for homeowners who need to sell, as most likely they will see a strong return on their investment. As we move into the fall and winter months, where we typically see a slowdown, prices are unlikely to fall significantly because there are just not enough homes for sale to meet the demand. If you would like more housing information to see what is happening in your local area, reach out to my team and me so that we can help you to strategize your next move. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area, serving buyers and sellers with excellence and integrity. Thanks for watching and have a great day.